this morning we're talking about how to remove a roundel, which is what these glass pieces are called here. They go in these strip lights. That's how you have to replace the light bulb that's inside of it. They're just standard incandescent lights, maybe moving on to LEDs. But there's two little pins here, kind of a spring-loaded contraption. You pinch them together, the roundel comes, or the spring comes off, the roundel comes out. Just a round piece of glass. Here's the spring that you have to pinch together right here. Pinch those two together and all is good. The light bulb just screws in or screws out. Again, just a standard everyday light bulb. This is 150 watt. It is important to go back with the same bulbs so that you have the same color all the way across, or same saturation of color all the way across the stage. As we move to LEDs, we'll have to see what we can get. But then putting it back together, screw the bulb in. Make sure obviously it's in all the way. You don't want to have a loose bulb causing you to have issues. Now the tricky part is you're going to have to hold the roundel in while you get this spring loaded and ready. Actually, I just got it with my fingers. There we go, and it's in place. So it's not hard, you just got to take the time to do it.